So Mason will throw the ball, which will hit the door. The door will shut and hit the lacrosse ball. The lacrosse ball will roll down the ramp and hit the skateboard. If you look under the skateboard, there's a little cardboard piece. That cardboard piece will move and hit the bat. The bat will roll and start the domino chain. The domino chain will hit this thing of colored pencils, which will then hit this little piece right here. That'll fall down and the string will go up, releasing the pulley. Then the tennis ball will drop, hit here, hit the American flag, hit a button, and shut the garage door.
Mason, shut the garage right now! What is wrong? Get that thing shut!
Mom, I got it.